It's my mother's birthday, so I'm taking her out for a lunch and a dinner. Pump it up, Bitcoin. Pump it up, baby. Nice. That's what I like to see, guys. That's what I like to see. I just gotta run some quick math here. A couple positions. Alright, so we got that. $10 call. Okay. So our BITO should be up right now 988, should be up around 120%, 160%, somewhere in there. If we get to $10, say those $10 lottos that we swung yesterday, which I think we can. I think we can actually get to 1014, the gap there. Then we should be up. If we get to $10, we should be up around 240% on those BITO calls. That would be enough for me to take profits. Absolutely, that would be enough for me to take profits. What else do we do? Mara. We took some Mara Lottos yesterday. MARA. Two sets, right? Good morning, Hassan. Good morning. Let me look at Mara here. Did we take from Mara? We took the 950s of Lottos. Okay, so those ones are still a little bit of work to do. 18. Not the best entry yesterday, but that's okay. Let's look where Mara is right now. MARA gapping up 922. I'd love to see it fill that gap there. High is up there on 930. So 922, we should be green on the trade a little bit, but if we can get to 950, that should be up about another 100% or so. So our crypto swings that we took yesterday should be paying us today quite nicely, guys. And it does look like Bitcoin has a little bit more upside. You're breaking a little bit of a potential bull flag here. I have major resistance where I think crypto is actually heading to today, guys. Bitcoin specifically, I think it wants to tag this weekly 7 MA. That's at 72,518. So beautiful, beautiful breakout out of the wedge pattern. I want to see this hold because BTC could be setting up a big, big squeeze here, guys. It is undervalued. It has that correlation with what you would call it, software IGV. So this is acting extremely well right now. I like it. I like it a lot. Good morning, YS. Your puts are fucked? Yeah, you know, it's a tough market to swing puts. It's in and out, right? Choppy, choppy, choppy. You got to be really clinical with your entries, but at least we can see that crypto is moving to the top here. Nice, BTC. Go, 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 baby. Pump it up. Pump it up. Take us to 10 on BITO. Get those calls in the money, baby. Get those calls in the frickin' money, baby. Let's go. Full send. What else do we have? Mara $9 calls. Good, good, good. BITO. Oh, did I do the math on that BITO? Yeah, I did do the math. Okay, cool. All right, let's go through some charts. Right now we got Nvidia pumping, guys, up 1.22%. Tesla's up 1.93. Very strong price for Tesla. Google slightly green. What's Mr. Softy doing? Mr. Softy slightly green. Amazon green. Okay. BTC still moving. Go, baby, go. Crypto's flying right now, guys. Crypto is flying. BTC pumping to the top side here. Look at that move on Bitcoin, man. She ripping hard. I like it. Pump it up. Pump it up. MongoDB bouncing back a little bit here, guys. What else we got? Western Digital, Micron, the usuals are getting a nice bid to the top here. Yep. Here's interesting. Did I hold Mara? Yep, we swung BITO and Mara calls. Both sets. Both sets. So that was a pretty easy breakout trade, guys. Bitcoin coiled there for quite a while. It was a nice entry. Good pop. And if this breakout holds, we got potentially a nice three bar surge on the daily that could happen. There's going to be a little bit of resistance at that weekly 7. But we should be able to work ourselves through that for crypto. BTC is setting up for a big continuation move, guys. Nice breakout on the weekly. Nice breakout. I want to see at least 74, but there will be some resistance here. Uh, just going through a lot of ouster, guys, is continuing to show some resiliency here. OUST. Just look at just want to see if the rates, all right, so still a hold in June. So June, July. So the curve is starting to push back the cuts a little bit since this spike in oil, guys. So now it's looking like, wow, so September is the majority of the next cut. This is getting tricky because July and June are still kind of a toss-up here. This is what we got to watch, guys. If this July rate cut gets pushed, so if we see this 3.5 to 3.75 probability start to climb here, and this swings more in favor of a hold in July, I think we're cooked. We're going to sell off. We keep seeing the probabilities on this Fed curve changing. Interesting. Very interesting. All right, let's see what else we got moving. SSR Mining, MSTR. Yep, lots of crypto stocks are showing strength. Coinbase, MicroStrategy, Mara. You got Ross Stores, Brown, CCC, Moderna. Nice gap up for mRNA. Ooh, gap downs. GitLab, Crown, Charles River, Shenya Energy, APA. Interesting. SoFi having a nice day. MSTR, Robinhood having a good day. So all those crypto kind of platforms are having a decent day. Decent. Rocket Lab's bouncing. Quantum is bouncing. Nat gas resource stocks are struggling. Silver's up, but off of the highs. SMCI. Uranium bouncing back. SoFi could be an interesting one again. Fuck, they took my money on that last fucking dip. Thought we were gonna get a bounce. Snakes. SoFi. There might be one more pullback on SoFi before it wants to send higher here. Keep that on watch. Natural gas is getting slapped around right now. Let's look at crude oil real quick. Crude oil also taking a bit of a breather, so good to see crude softening a little bit here, but it's still up sharply from a few days ago. Netflix taking a lag. GDX and miners are bouncing back. Nice gap up for gold miners and silver miners. They're liking the fact that that crude is softening, increasing their profit margins. Yeah, you can see all the miners, rare earths are strong today. Very strong. CoreWeave, big gap up. It's a good circle. CRCL moving to the top. Looking at coin here, that's gapping up. Hood. So a lot of stocks are going to try to squeeze off of the open. I can smell the bulls just salivating for a big rally. But can we hold the gap up, guys? Can we hold the gap up? Gap downs have been bought. We'll see if gap ups get faded. There's always a risk. Corning, ticker GLW, that's had a nice pullback, bouncing sharply today. Airlines are bouncing back, so that's helping industrials a little bit. Abercrombie and Fitch is down. ANF, that's fallen down here. Let me clear all these charts here. Gap down. Walmart real quick. Interesting. So space stocks are catching a nice bid. Rocket Lab seems to be holding that key level. ASTS, big bounce. Interesting. All right, guys, we got a few minutes here till the open. We're gonna watch crypto here. Good high levels. So it's a pretty wide range again, guys, in the tape. Morning, Hank. So we are set for a nice gap up. Microsoft did sell off just briefly here. Just briefly. All right, let's pump this crypto up, baby. Pump it up. Pump it up. Let's keep software flying. Keep her going. Microsoft taking a bit of a dip here in the pre-market, guys. Let's get ready for the open. 2 minutes. 2 minutes for the open. Sesame. What is the stronger ETF? So the IWM is super strong. Qs are in second place and SPY's lagging a touch. All right, let's watch this IWM real quick. Wow, that Russell's strong, man. The Russell's actually at all-time highs. Wow. All right, guys, so I think Qs can still push higher here. The big question is 605.93 is where I have my upside target for the Qs, but I think that there might be a little bit of profit taking, maybe a little bit. We'll see. All right, let's get ready here, guys. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Here we go. We are open sesame. SPY still trying to push to the top. Mara strong. Microsoft getting a bid. Bitcoin still trying to press to the top. All right, guys, I just trimmed half of my BITO calls for 150%. Trimmed half, I repeat, trimmed half of BITO calls, 150%, guys. Mara, quite nicely. Good, let's pump Mara up. Mara's the next one, guys. MARA, pumping. Come on, go, Mara, go. Pump it up, pump it up. Take some profits off of Mara on the next spike high here. The 950s, just as a heads up. SPY starting to come in a little bit. BTC still pumping. Let's go. Full send, full send. Beautiful. Beautiful. Man, I like it a lot. Beautiful, guys. Look at BITO, $10 calls in the money, baby. Let's go take profits. I'm taking profits. $10 calls in the fucking money. Let's go. Already starting this off with a banger. Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's full send it to the top. Look at BITO. Look at Bitcoin. Who swung crypto? We freaking did, baby. Put out that free video. If you missed it, that's on you, man. Look at that move. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Markets are still holding pretty strong here, guys. Ridiculously strong. Beautiful. Full send, full send. Come on, Mara. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Beautiful, guys. Mara's starting to pump. Let's go, let's go, let's go, baby. Beauty, man. Beauty, beauty, beauty. That's what I like to see, man. Let's go, baby. Look at Mara flying, guys, flying. Sorry I haven't put the profit and loss in the chat, guys, but we just secured profits on Bitcoin. We secured profits on Mara. Mara 950 is almost in the money. Let's go, man. Shit, she's ripping. Look at that move. Beautiful to see. I like it a lot, guys. I like it. Crypto's flying to the top. Mara into gap fill. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Full send. Full send. Beautiful, man. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go, baby. What a move, guys. What a move. Beautiful trades, guys. Crypto just paid us huge. All right, IGV is still trying to pump to the top. We got BTC still trying to push to the top side here. Acting very, very well. Mara taking a little bit of a pullback, guys. We did secure some profits, so just as an FYI, I repeat, just as an FYI, we did secure some profits. All right, SPY starting to roll a little bit. What? Didn't fucking sell me? Are you kidding me? That's some bullshit. Why didn't it fucking fill me? Are you serious? That's some bullshit, man. That's crazy. We could get these the dollar are starting to rally. Here we go. Why isn't it selling that shit? What the fuck? Sorry, my broker just pissed me off right now. They just cost me quite a bit. That's some bullshit. Man, look at that reversal in MARA, guys. That is filthy. That was filthy. Microsoft still trying. So again, guys, I did take profits on the short dated MARA calls. We cleared those at the highs, as well as BITO, guys, when there was at 10 bucks. Our $10 calls were in the money. So we absolutely just got paid on the crypto front. So congrats, congrats, congrats. If you caught those crypto trades with us, we just got paid. Absolutely got paid, man. Beautiful. All right, Microsoft trying to make a big push to the top again. Crypto may get a little bit of a continuation rally. We will see here. IGV still looking pretty solid here. Netflix is pumping. Tesla's pumping. Mags are trying to pump. Apple and Google are still struggling a little bit. Beauty, man. Beauty, beauty, beauty. So Qs are still holding steady here. They did hit my upside target, so we could see a bit more softening here. Come on, baby. Industrials are starting to roll over just a touch here. Profit secured. So guys, we pulled 150%. I'll do the math after, guys. I'm just trying to manage some other trades here. All right, so opening range high on SPY and pre-market high are kind of in the same vicinity, so that's going to be a pretty big resistance zone. Initial resistance zone. That will be pretty big. Netflix is still mooning. Software is still acting a-okay. BTC is still trying to push to the top side again, trying to get through its pre-market high. So that's acting very, very well, guys. Crypto still very strong. Come on, Mara. Retrace higher, MARA. Okay, guys, the US dollar and crude oil are trying to make a little bit of a move here. We are seeing a bit of selling hitting the tape here. S&P is struggling just a touch here. Just a touch. BTC still holding steady. Microsoft IGV are getting faded a little bit. You got weakness in Microsoft, Google, Apple, guys. JP Morgan Financials still getting hit. Man, they just can't seem to firm up. Financials keep getting destroyed. Guys, you know what other chart is breaking down? Honeywell. Let's go, Honeywell. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, baby. Drop it down, Honeywell. Drop it down. Nice sell. Nice selling, Honeywell. Come on down, Honeywell. Come on down. All right, BTC losing a little bit of momentum here, guys. Just a little bit. Nice drop, guys. Nice drop. Guys, industrials are getting smoked here. Come on, baby. What do we got? What do we got, guys? Still got the S&P draining a little bit, guys, gapping and cracking to the downside. Again, I pulled off all of my short dated trades, $10 calls on BITO that we swung yesterday in the money. Those printed hard, guys. Those printed really hard. Mara calls, guys, 950 calls, boom, printed hard. We swung the $9 calls as well. Don't let that go against you. That obviously has a little bit more time, but it's been a fantastic session here. Wow, really good. Really great, actually. Really great. I'm just pissed on my one. Man. All right, markets may start to give up a little bit of price action here. You got certain software names starting to lag a little bit. Microsoft negative, Unity negative. IGV still green. Uranium's getting hit again today. China stocks getting hit again today. Yeah, BTC is coming in here, guys. BTC is coming in a little bit here. What's 10 Cent Music doing? That one's also coming in a little bit. It's okay, though. Hmm, very cool. Yeah, it seems like they are trying to flush it. It seems like they are trying to flush the tape here. So just be aware. Are losing a little bit, quite a bit of momentum actually. Crypto is losing, markets are losing momentum. You got crude oil trying to rip here. Hmm. Guys, XLE might be an interesting trade here. XOM, I think, could make a bullish reversal back up. If crude oil starts to rip here, and it is trying to turn green, maybe that's a little bit of a trade. XLE. Let's see what XOM is giving us here. Mara and crypto are still trying to push. Qs are still holding pretty strong here, guys. Pretty strong. Energy is actually getting smoked right now. Man, oh man, oh man. Crypto trying to bounce just a touch here. S&P recapturing its OR low, guys. Good sign, good sign. Nice sell side pressure in Honeywell, guys. Nice sell side pressure in Honeywell. Amazing. Industrials are getting hit pretty hard right now. Pretty hard. Taking profits on my Honeywell puts. HON. Just took profits, guys. HON. I'm going to put in the chat right now. Beautiful little snipe on that trade, guys. Amazing. Amazing. It's a big trade for me. I like that short. Secured on Honeywell put. HON. HON. Beautiful, man. Fucking right. Let's go. I'm done for the day. I'm fucking done, guys. Banked on crypto. Banked on Honeywell puts. Boom. Man, oh man, that's amazing. Amazing, man. All right, let me calculate all these profits. That's beautiful, guys. Amazing. That's what I'm talking about. I love it. Love it. All right. What else can I do here? Well, guys, hopefully you got paid on your cryptos. And these BITOs, guys, paid. BITO lottos, guys, from 5 cents to 15 cents. Beautiful. Beautiful. Sorry. 200% on BITO. Short dated calls. 50% on our Maras. Beautiful. Holy, they are taking it downtown, man. Let's go, man. Look at that Honeywell short, guys. We got paid. Look at that failed move. We got paid on a Honeywell short, guys. Oh, it is sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Man, we just got paid. Huge profits all around, guys. Man, it has been a fantastic fucking trading session this week. We have killed it, guys. We absolutely killed it. I'm done. I am done for the day, guys. Now I gotta go celebrate my mother's birthday. Boom. Let's go, man. 9:53. Microsoft. Let's pump software up now, guys. Fucking pump it up. Bitcoin's still looking pretty solid, guys. BTC is looking solid. Thank you, Hassan. Appreciate that. Thank you. All right, so the markets are still acting a little bit weak here, guys. They are defending, but there's quite a bit of selling under the hood of the tape. That's what I'm seeing right now. Microsoft trying to push to the top side again. Let's go, baby. Microsoft is still looking strong here. Ripping. She is ripping here. Apple kind of lagging quite a bit. Look at the Russell here. Yeah, the Russell's still looking a-okay. You have your US dollar trying to do a little bit of an uptick here, guys. Why is it not showing me that? What the fuck? Brokerage is all messed up here. Why is it all messed up here? Activity, did it fill? Filled coin, yeah, it filled. All right, I gotta friggin' restart my brokerage here, guys, because shit's acting wonky. All right, you have your US dollar trying to make a push to the high side here, guys. US Dixie trying to make a move. Where the hell was that even bought then? Why isn't it reflecting in my account? There it is. Iron, guys. IREN today is a rocket. Man, oh man, she's moving to the top side again. SoFi pulling back a little bit, but still holding steady. Snapchat green. Nvidia still strong. Duolingo, guys. Boom, man, fucking right. Let's go Duolingo. Man, she's a beast. Guys, we're already up over 11% on our Duolingo trade, up 11% on DUOL shares. That is a beautiful, beautiful move on Duolingo, guys. If you're wanting to take profits, not a bad spot, but I'm going to ride it. I don't think Duolingo is coming back down to 100 unless we get some sort of a major market crash or correction, but good job if you were to buy Duolingo with us. All right, IWM still pumping. S&P still trying to pump. Look at this buy-side program hitting the tape. Microsoft going for a breakout through prior day high. Full send. Rip it to the top, baby. Let's go. Man, oh man, oh man. These last 2 days have been epic for my account, man. All over this crypto trade, guys. All over this crypto trade. Look at the market trying to rip again. Send it, baby. Send it to the top. Send it to the top, baby. To the top. Full send. I wonder if JP Morgan's going to make a bullish recovery. Financials are getting walloped. Oh, shit. It already has made a friggin' strong reversal off the lows. Yeah, JPM's Oh, what the fuck? My watch list is all weird. Oh, shit. I got issues on my watch list again. That's not good. That's not good. Issues on the watch list. Nat gas is shitting itself. Yeah, it is down 3.82. Crude oil's weak as well. Marathon Digital still trying to climb. Webull, Cypher, all crypto is still showing resiliency. IGV, guys, at the highs of the session. Interesting. TME. Interesting. Very cool. Nice pullback, guys. XLE has filled the downside gap. That's kind of interesting. SPY still holding some technical strength. Microsoft still looking pretty solid. I wonder if I should buy XOM. I wonder. I feel like we should take a long on energy, guys. I feel like we should take a long on XOM. Alright, SPY struggling a little bit here, guys. Microsoft starting to come in. All right, your US dollar's trying to make a little bit of an uptick. Watch out here, guys, because the market could get slapped again. She could get slapped. Fucking big buy program on XOM. That's wild. This dollar's still trying to make a push to the top side. All right, I gotta refresh that because that is throwing me off. Anyone having any glitches with TradingView live quotes? Seems like they're messing. They're not updating right now. Let me see. Yeah, I got issues. Showing JP Morgan down 0.85%. That had me tripping. Oh, I don't like that. That's not what I want to see. So again, guys, this morning we secured 50% gain on Maricalls that we swung last night. We secured 200% gain on BITO calls that we swung last night. So it's been nice. Honeywell puts paid us. Let's go. And we just entered a new trade today. New trade. We'll see if it works out. Is big in crypto. Crypto is looking somewhat strong. The market's looking straight bullish right now, guys. Very bullish, the market. It's setting up for yet again another big rally. Should have taken XOM long. Because she ripping, baby. She ripping. Ripping to the top side. She ripping to the top side. Guys, the DXY is softening quite a bit here. Dixie is softening. Crypto still acting well. IREN pumping up 12.3% on iron. What a beast. That thing has some wild moves. Alright, markets are still setting up here for another push. Looks like we're getting a nice software rally again. Microsoft is close to potentially breaking out to the top side here. Microsoft looking strong. The only problem I see is IGV actually needs a little bit of a breather. Intraday IGV has had a huge move. Man, that's a huge move. Anybody looking at anything else here? I'm just doing my intraday scan. Um, you. I can take a peek at that. Just give me a second here. I will take a peek at you. Definitely. Let's look at you. TTD calls pumping from last few days. Yeah. Fuck, man. I don't even like TTD anymore. It's taken too much of my money. It's taken way too much of my money, TTD. It pissed me off, man, TTD. Absolutely pissed me off. I still think the company has decent fundamentals, but it just got absolutely smoked with the software Armageddon. So it still might try to make a move here to the top side, but again, it's still profitable, highly profitable company. Still got a great core business. Still got that World Cup aspect if you believe that there's going to be more advertising during the World Cup. So yeah, TTD should try. But let's look at uranium here. Yeah, is just wedging here. Yeah, the nuclear complex is still a little fragile here. Okay, oh. Let me look back at URA. So URA is trying. If URA gets above yesterday's closing low, then you can long UU. But just keep tight stops. But yeah, it's trying to make a move intraday. It's not looking bad. I see everyone's eyeing that gap fill. I see that. I mean, if you want to take some end of week lottos, maybe. Yeah, it could. It could. Maybe it's worth some lottos into that gap because we know your UU runs hard. When uranium starts to run, it runs hard, man. So, yeah, it could. It could make a potential move to the top. Let's see if I take a lotto. Where's that 23.30 gap? $23 calls for end of the week are 38 cents, 28 cents. What about 23.50 lottos? 26 cents, 17 cents. Interesting. All right, market's still remaining very bullish here. Microsoft back to the negative side. Software is starting to come in just a touch here. Let me look at Walmart calls. Walmart, I think Walmart's going to make a push here back to potentially the highs. You can see Walmart is back above its 7-day. How's Costco doing? Still defending its 7-day moving average. Staples, XLP. Yeah, XLP's been hammered the last few days, so that one I think is going to take a little bit of time to move up. Nvidia is still pumping to the top. Looking pretty solid. Tesla still looking solid. Again, guys, I'm not really looking to rush into anything. Crude oil is ridiculous, getting smacked here, so the market should press higher, guys. Looks like we want the gap fill. SPY trying to bust through pre-market high and opening range high. It's in that very same vicinity, so it's looking pretty decent. I must admit, that is looking decent. Let me see if that is, do we have any buy signals? A small one, maybe. Maybe. Tesla's ripping, guys, with crypto as well. Look at that move. Tesla's looking like a beast. An absolute beast. There's a lot of stocks fully bully. Ripping to the top, baby. Cypher having a great day. China stocks are mixed. Bitfarms ripping. Rigetti trying. Rocket Labs, nice move. Interesting. Very, very interesting, guys. Hank asking about TTD calls, yeah. Hank asking about CAG, Conagra. Tough chart. Tough chart. Could be a bear flag, but I would give it the benefit of the doubt and say that it is trying to break out here, guys. I would still like to see it clear this 1980 zone, but yeah, it's looking like it is trying to break out. Maybe a bit of a rounding cup and handle formation starting to build out here. So yeah, it's not looking too bad. Um, I don't know what the chain is like. I haven't looked, but yeah, it's looking pretty good. CAG, it is. But if you lose these pivot lows here around this 1830 zone, then it's fucked. Is QQQ a short around 609? Caleb asking. Um, yeah, 609, not a bad area. I would let it try to sweep this high pivot. So around 609, what is that high pivot? 609.05. I would let it sweep that high pivot. And then you kind of have two areas, right? So give yourself the ability, I think, to add through this area, right? So let it sweep the first reversal pivot here, and then give yourself the ability to kind of DCA into this 610 area. But yeah, that's definitely a short, especially if we push right up into it in the next 10-15 minutes, which it's looking like we are. So if as long as you don't get a pullback, this level is great for a quick scalp. That's about it. All right. But if you're doing zeros and you see green, don't let the trade go against you. You better protect it. Microsoft potentially trying to form a bit of an inverse head and shoulders on your 5 and 10-minute chart. It has not triggered yet, but looking pretty juicy. She's looking juicy. So yeah, I have no qualms with that. If you want to short QQQ up here, not a bad spot. I actually might take it too. Let me see what's going on here. Come on, give us a little bit more. Keep pushing, Qs. Keep pushing. Keep her going. Keep her going. Yeah, that's not a bad spot, actually. Come on, keep pressing, keep pressing, keep pressing. Let's see, what are we at? So we're at 609.88. Qs are ripping. Qs are ripping. SPY ripping. Look at this move. Beast mode. Absolute beast mode. I'm going to look at 610 puts, guys. I'm going to buy in the money. She fucking flying, though. Holy moly. Look at that move. What a squeeze. Come on, keep going. We're into that gap now. We're into that gap. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit more. Qs, a little bit more for me. Come on. A little bit more. 3-bar surge on the 5-minute. Give it to me. Come on, baby. There it is. Come on. Come on. A little bit more. Next impulse. Come on. Holy shit, she's ripping. She's a mover. Yep, what a market is right. Microsoft's starting to get going now. We flying. Come on, a little bit more Qs, and then I'm gonna fucking fade this hard. A little bit more. Shit. Shit, I should have picked that top. I had that order right there, but Microsoft might be pushing a little bit more here, guys. It's trying to push still. Fuck, come on, Qs. You got more in you. You got more in you. Get your fat ass up there. Sweep that pivot. Sweep that pivot. Come on. Come on, a little bit more. Pierce that 610. 609.93. Pierce it, and I'm going to fat short it. What the fuck happened there? Strong friggin' tape, guys. Very strong. Frick. Software's trying to make another little push here. Short sneak position. 610 put on the Qs. 610p on the Qs. 186 fill. 186 fill. Come on, give me a pullback. Give me a little bit more. Give me a little bit more. Pull back. Come on, pull back a little bit. Come on, come on. Strong fucking market. Strong market. She's strong though. Holy moly, she's strong. She's still trying. Damn, what a beast. Holy, SPY still wants its gap. I guess that's the real level that it's waiting for. What a monster. Holy shit, she's still going. That's a beast. Qs and SPY are beasts. All right, SPY into gap fill here, guys. SPY is into gap fill. They're still trying to squeeze this. All right, I added, guys, to my 610 put on the Qs. I did add. Market's still an animal. Market is an animal. Look at this push, guys. Holy moly. SPY still beast moding. Qs are still holding resiliency. NVIDIA pumping to the top, baby. Fucking more highs here on the Qs. That's wild. No pullbacks in sight yet. Come on, give us a fucking pullback here. This thing's fucking ridiculous. Jeez, just when you think you have a good level, they just rip it through pivots like nobody's business, man. This thing is squeezing hard. Squeezing fucking hard. My average is 169. 169 on Qs. She's fucking filthy beast. Wow. SPY's still a monster. NVIDIA coming up into a point of control. IGV software still trying to push. Jeez, look at this market. This is ridiculous, this thing. Wow. Qs are now up 1.5%. Keeping this thing strong. Crude oil is trying to bounce just a touch here. Man, they're fucking keeping this thing elevated. Holy moly. Look at the strength in the S&P and Qs. Barely a fucking pullback, man. Barely. Come on, give us a little fucking pullback here. That's a beast, man. What a move in the market, guys. What a move. All right, Microsoft starting to lose a little bit of momentum here. Come on down. Come on down. Take profits. Take profits. Come on. Come on down, Qs. Come on down a little bit. You've had a nice rally. Beautiful rally. How fucking strong are you? All right, SPY starting to lose a little bit of momentum. NVIDIA is coming in here. Still a beast. This is why out of the money puts are crazy. I took in the money at the time, 610s, which I still think I'm gonna get paid on, but wow, what a rip. Come on, give us a quick hard down move. Come on. Retest those pivots. Small sell signal on the 5. Nice move down. Took profits there. I'm all out. I took profits. Boom. That's it. That's all I was looking for. This market's tough, tough short. So I took profits. And I still think there could be more, but I did take profits, guys. Small gain. This market's freaking a beast, so made me a little nervous there. Although we can get a little bit more, I don't know. They may keep this market pretty elevated throughout the course of the morning, so I'm all out of my short. All right, guys, I gotta go celebrate my mother's birthday. Other than that, fantastic profits in the option trading group with MARA, guys. Fantastic freaking profits. Look at that thing, right back to the highs. BITO, great trades on Bitcoin and crypto, guys. Other than that, again, just be careful with this market. They may keep this thing elevated throughout the whole morning, and then maybe there's going to be an afternoon sell-off. But I got to go celebrate a birthday. So I'll still be watching things on my phone, so I'll send alerts if I can. But I'm gonna probably end the stream here. All right, guys, take it easy. Nice trading with you all. Cheers. Thank you.